Kublai pi baro syakatup Khuborjylla ke Donbosco Media Network. Kiman kibakong san menta kasni Shillong. Daka rally perta ki kena skol alfa persya yauduma bat sikren. Marshiteng gabai skol haskol ba MLCU. Haka 5-year integrated UG program. Bumat ki pulit traffic bayo police booth nauba sanbor. Ban palat spa teli Shillong kin sup ladai yo blok no haumden pentip kekenpun ha umentri. Bat mentang ini apai syaki Khubor ki bakam bania. Kumshi benta ban rakhe yaka World No Tobacco Day. Banyalap syaki padba NAKA Jymmang jangka jingdi duma nebam duma. Ka Alpha English Higher Secondary School nongpo haka khat santarek Jymmang arhajar arpusan kala penlong dak jingyat padba pelun kesor nongpo. Kane ka rally kala sedang na kane ka school bat kala kut haplau school. Shwaban penlong ya ka jingyat padba kibor penyat school kila penlong ya ka program ai jinghikai shiki khna school halor ka Jymmang na ka jingdi duma bat bam dumasla bala ai de kinong hikai bat ki khana school. Hadin kata kila beteng da kabayat pat ba rengkat ki plakat ki banner bat ki jing tho ki ba persya bat pensngau syaki pat ba ya ki jing sneu bat Jymmang ki ba mi na uduma. Tang ba udei uba sneu hendrei upen lengkot ru ya karta jing im jong ubreu hasla perthei namar ukta ya ka jingkot jingkhia jong ki breu kiba pendan kam kerni ya u. Na kaliang ki khna school kila pertasla lengba ki jing tho ba pher bar khamtam ka kentin bangim dei bandi ne bam duma naba ka ne ka khata shisha ya ka kot ka khia jong ubreu ha ki benta ba pher jong ka met jong u. Ha ka jingkran ha ka ne ka sngi kakong WK bla principal kalaong baki bor penyat ke school kila penlong ya kane ke jinyat padba banyalap persya halor ke Jymmang na uduma kibor penyat school kila pensnguthu syaki khna school pat kumjuru syaki padba ha kane ke sngi baka school ka rakhe ya ka World No Tobacco Day.
Right, this is a very important awareness that we can create. And we from the school level. Look the side, that is why this is very important. Why? Because this has become a serious health issue. Using tobacco has become a serious health issue. And that is why creating awareness at the school level for you to know the bad effects and for you to understand that you should not start or form the habit of smoking, chewing tobacco at the early stage will help you develop a good health and will help you keep away from this bad habit that will cause addiction and serious health problems in the future. India, for that matter, we have, it's almost a cultural use of tobacco. And in the state of Meghalaya, we have a large number of cancer cases because or as a result of tobacco chewing. And that is why we are here making you students of Alpha School number 1 to understand the bad effects of tobacco and how not to get habituated to having it. We have our parents who used to smoke and chew kaini and kutka and shikar and all of that. And some of you are following the habits, but please.
Ban Island eki Samla puli ki bamyo jaga ban beteng eki jing puli jongki haki college paper haka Jylla hadin ba kila pendep ya ka matric nis ka skul ba Martin Luther Christian University menta usnam arhajar arpusan kala penmi ya ka jing puli bathamai 5-year integrated undergraduate program haka kin yo lad ban beteng ya ka jing puli jongki haki sansnam ka ban long arsnam haka diploma bat license ka bachelor's degree. NAKA benta ka jing siu ha kini kisan snem kan long tang shiteng NAKA ba kidei ban siu ka ba wanno haka dur jang ka san % scholarship.
Media but multi-sensory expression tak PA haka political science, sociology but economics ka bachelor ka physical education but sports a bachelor of visual arts, a bachelor science of nutrition, food but wellness, bachelor science of environmental science maka sustainable development. Di kenya alot nalot jok kini course ka dondu sakaway ka bangi wa banyara iki kena ki bapa se kelas 10 kumbang yo i haki kot Khubor yo i haki news hi ba shibun ki kena ki lingba ka pas percentage ka mina ka ni ha ka result kalau ka ba andre ka e pada ka ba pinsko si kalau ba ki bon ki kena wat da ki yo e ka result ba kim nomor kacing don jo limited seat hapo ka Jylla kimla ban kuliah shushu ban betbet nadi ba kimla ban yo ya katakan athong jo kacing im ko jongki ti hak bai de bet kata na kalian ke university lingba ka jingle ka jongi ya ki research bat ka jingle ka jingya tre jongi ringkat bat ki Shillong ki babuan ki ba ka Jylla bat ki bat ki Jylla ki pemacan ki pensno shingi bat kini kita ta ki kren shingi ki omma kadar kam yang ki kum ke university pan yarap ya kum kini nama ba nimkwa bakan don kata ka jinghian ha ka bai de bat ka drop out rates ka jogi kana dia ka bai de bat ka ni don jifu ban stang ya ka integrated 5-year program ka bomon ba ki puli sansnam ha ka integrated program hak ba arts-nem kin pulih ya ka diploma, ba license kin pulih ya ka bachelor's program kujangking. Ti hak ni ka arts-nem ka diploma, hak asnem ka beningkom ki subject long general, but hak asnem ka ba art ngin focus ba kuno ngin lokum ka mau jingkin ya ka la jingpulih jongki ba kin la ban pulih kam shedrom haka bachelor's kajongki di halo jongkani haka bai de bat kani ni aru ya kataka financial support ni kachingaram haka bai de bat ka fees haka ba namar pakade kasin ka paningkong ni bangile ya kani tingi a ya kataka ka fees ka balong ka patat na ki patat tam haka ba ya de bat kani ka integrated program kenang ba ki we ki kena ru ki bananong ki bamdan shu kalat ba kin nang ni puli hilapan ban wan ba kan ke program ti nakata ka ti hakba ide ba kan ye ti kumbang la ong ne ba ni hapo university ke Martin Luther University nimdon kata ka jingmu omde tamban hikai ki kena hindai ni kuma ban pulong ni kena kita ki leaders di bangi ong hak imnang kesalang ke bangi la ban hikai ki kena ba kumno ki la ban seng ki jong hikam leban yi ba kalong ka ek
ki pulit penyat kali jong kalaban police station ki baju pet ya kejinyat bed ya renti ki kali harat cross laban kila penpau ya kejing kemen ke bakrau hadin ba kila yo daka police boot now MLA ke Shillong South ba Sanbor Shulai ya kani ka police boot lashna hakajinglut ke balakot syaka iway point laipo lak tengka ka ba MLA ulase naka discretionary grant hadin kani uba Sanbor ula pliru eka public latrine ni ka pan khana pat ba hangtei hajanhi khnang ban khanglat ya ki jing penjaklia ya kate kathan ladran lang hakani ka sngi ki he pulit kinaya lamshnong badru ki pat ba
urgently we need a police boot. Here a police boot has to enable the traffic department to regulate the flow of traffic and also to see that the safety of the pedestrians, especially the student, the children. So today, with the blessing of God, we have all 60 MLE. We are getting since last year 20 lakhs in the form of this crucial grant, and through this 20 lakhs, I have sanctioned 1,30,000 to set up this police booth for the interest of the police, the traffic department, and for the interest of the general public. And later on, after the handing over of this police booth to the authority of the traffic department in presence of Honorable SP Prasad, then we will go down, a little bit down, where we are going to inaugurate the public toilet and urinal system in the form of pay and use toilet and urinal system. This is also the long aspiration of the people of Greater Laban, especially the people of our Laban area, because they don't have this toilet and urinal facilities. So we have also discussed with Prasad, Lakyang, and Marngar also, with the headman, members of the Dorbar, maybe after a few months, after the completion of the Laban's supermarket complex, after shifting of all those shopkeepers, we will be able to set up, that place will be free. So we'll set up one more police booth in Adiaudak, Laban. One more. So with these few words, this police booth, we have spent from the DG grant of the MLA district grant 1,30,000, and the public toilet and urinal system. This has been sanctioned for.
Kakenhun jong kinoy alam shnong bat rio rang ba nakaraj nong tulu raj mathan bat raj marman rengkat UMLA kathan ba Meril Bonds im hene kasngi kila kendu ya menteri bapet ya katanat Community and Rural Development AT Mondal ban kentu ya una kabenta ban penyo no sakawe ka blok kerpang na kabenta kathan umden. Habakran bat kilat pathai Khubor uba Meril Bond ulayat ho baka umling blok kaba kihab barok shikata kala hab ban syakri hadu palat arspa teli kishnong kumta uong balada ka sorkar ka aino laka jong ka blok ha umden ki khmi lenti baki palba kinyo ya ka jing syakri ka ba khampaka bat kham janru ya ki hakalet kawan
advisor and other representative traditional headman of Umden area to press upon for the creation of new block at Umden. As we have known, this is not new into the developmental push within the constituency. We have been pressing this issue in the past also, and I'm thankful as a local legislator that this forum has taken initiative. It has shows its utmost interest and sincerity in supporting for this issue, so that the government will take into consideration for the creation of Umden Community and Rural Development Block to be carved out of the existing Umling CNRD block. As the chairman of the forum has stated that the Honorable Minister have take a keen interest, and as a legislator also will try to push this issue with the Honorable Chief Minister, in which in few days we are going to meet with him also to press upon, and we hope that the government in due course of time, at the time of taking a decision for the creation of new CNRD block, Umden CNRD block will be one of them, and I hope that the positivity approach of the government, as well as the initiative taken and the aspiration of the people at large, which include in more than 120, 130 up to 150 villages which fall under Umden block, proposed Umden CNRD block, and I hope they will see the light of the day. And we are happy today the positive response of the Honorable Minister, and we look forward that it will happen in
Menteri Rangba Konrad K. Sangma rengkat usumbut Menteri Rangba Pak Preston Tensong bat Menteri ke Tourism Pak Paul Lengdo kila thong ya umau nongrim jong kajaka tengkai jingtip syapang ki destur ki riti jong kajat benriu khasi hinyau terap ba entip kum ka Indigenous Cultural Center hayeng seng khasi seng keme hamau khar Shillong. Hagani ka sngi bakraw nagabanta ka seng khasi seng keme ladon lang ki lendan ki kenram ki kraw perkat ki nong senshar hima bat ki reu khmat ki bakit kam ha ki jilli ba bon jat jong kani ka seng. La pediang burom ya Menteri Rangba sembut Menteri Rangba bat ya Menteri ke Tourism da ki nong yalam jo ka seng khasi seng keme. Ha ka jingkran bo mau nongrim Menteri Rangba Konrad K. Sangma ulaya tho hadien ba ulayo ka jingkerpat na kinong yalam ka sengkeme bandonno ka jaka tengkai jingtip hakadur jo ka seng khasi Indigenous Cultural Center hakani ka Jylla ulayo ya ka jingkordor jong kani ka jingkerpan bat ula ongru ba nang thia nang dem bat uyai perkhat kumnu ban penurlong ya kani ka jingthrang jong kini kirangba menta ula ong kani kajing ang nur jong kinong yalam bat kajing leng a jonga kila orlong. Ula ong ru lengba kani kajaka tengkai jing tip ka perthei kan itho bat tip kham shai shanna ya ki jing kordor jong ki dustur ki riti bat bon ba ki wei bat ki phang jing tip ya ka jat benriu khasi nyautrep ula ong. Ula ong ru ka sorkar ka don ya ki nong rim ban kentiu ya baro ki phang perkhan ki bayarap ya ka jat benriu ban kiu shaprang. Uba Preston bat uba Paul Lengdo kila menjur bat Khubor yaki kti basbun jaga sorkar Meghalaya kabala kner ban kedup yaki mati bakordor jong ki longshwa ki bala sandur yaka seng khasi men shispa arpusan snem.
Community. If the government wants to succeed in different programs, we must reach out and connect with our communities, with our different cultural groups, with our different indigenous groups, with different organizations, with the youth, with the farmers, with the women group. And until unless we don't connect and work with them in partnership, we may be able to start, but we'll not be able to continue it and sustain it and achieve the goals and results the way we could if we did the partnership. And therefore, at every level, you'll notice that we are partnering with the community in all aspects. Our government believes in inclusiveness. For us, I'm very clear. I keep telling this, and I told this even many years back to our people when there was one election. I had one election, and I said yes. During election, I'm NPP, but once election is over, and I become member of parliament, or I become chief minister, every single citizen is my person and my citizen. And it's my duty to ensure that we are able to, without any bias, we should be working closely with every community, every individual, and all kind of organizations. And it is with that principle in mind. I just want to share with you, we have been in government last 7 years now, running 8 years. And we are running a coalition government. We had 7 political parties. And we had so many challenges in the first term. I don't know if some of you remember it or not. Different problems came up. But I used to tell everybody in my team that the only way to run a government is based on certain principles. Anyway, the only way to govern a state is to have principles. If you don't have certain principles and certain values, and those principles should apply to all, you cannot change the principle based on one group or one party or one MLA or one community. You cannot. And that is what has been the foundation of our government, based on principles that we will not segregate, we will not be biased, we will support and we will work with the community at all levels, And that is what drives our government, our decisions. The members of the Singh Khasi Khmer had approached the government, had met me personally, and had proposed to put up this particular Indigenous cultural center. And that was the beginning of
Bat da hitu ki Khubor nglapoy siya kabakot tarahadu bangin daya Shillong Khuborjylla.